Today, I decided to wear a different cap because all these my TikTok friends, they are wahala too much. People like my precious, she will ask me, see, Ichie, is it not your daughter's cap? Imagine. People like Red Ribbon, troublemakers them. She will ask me this one, Ichie, the outfit self, Jenniepearls, you know, see, all these things, that's what I'm suffering. You know, easy. But before I go into what I'm about to say today, please listen and listen very attentively. It's very important. No talk say Ichie did not want you. If you don't want to mess up with your money, if you don't want to order something that you will regret, please do not play with this list I'm about to give to you. I am not advertising for anyone, but I'm just telling you the truth because this is tried, tested, and what? Trusted. The list I'm about to give to you now, please do not play with these people. If they fail you, come and hold me responsible because they know if you fail. These are the people that I trusted so much. I've tried them. I've tested them. They deliver quality and they keep on delivering. And I know them very well. So please don't joke with these people except you don't need anything that they are delivering or they are doing or they are into. But as long as you do, please patronize them. One, they're going to give you the cheapest price you can ever get from any other person. Two, they're going to deliver quality to you. I know what I'm saying. I just don't want you to make mistake with your money. You know, say money hard. So please don't make mistake with your money. If you are near Lagos, Ilorin or Ibadan or within this area, please don't joke with Jenniepearls Cake. Don't joke with Jenniepearls Cake. They handle all your bakery needs. From your dream wedding cake to a perfect birthday treat, please contact Jenniepearls Cake. If you're within Lagos, Ilorin, Ibadan, or any area close to this place, please do not fail. I already ordered my family Christmas chin-chin, so you know the taste is very great. The next up, serving the entire Southeast is Olamma Nails Bakery. If you are within the region of Imo State, Anambra State, Abia State, Enugu State, Ebonyi State, please contact Olamma Nails Bakery for all your bakery needs. They are dependable. I've already ordered my chin-chin. Me, I too like chin-chin. I've ordered my chin-chin for my family in Anambra State. My family and friends even. I even included friends. Please, if you are within this area, do not fail to contact Olamma Nails Bakery because they will deliver you the quality you want with affordable price. I am telling you, don't joke with these people. Christmas is by the corner. Make your order now. Now, let's go to your hair. If you are a lady or you are a guy, you need a hair for your woman. Please do not fail to order from Beeluxury. Beeluxury Hair, Abuja. I've ordered 4 different hairs for my woman. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to also put the WhatsApp screenshot when we receive ours. We've already received our own. So if you want to buy your quality hair, if you want to buy your original hair with affordable price, please contact Beeluxury. It's very important. Very important. Why I'm telling you, these people didn't pay me to do all these things. But let me tell you something. I'm telling you because I don't want you to waste your money. I don't want you to go and send some vendors that you don't know your money, and after that you start complaining. Money is very hard to get money these days. So you need to be careful with the way you spend and who you're sending your money to. That is why I am recommending people that I know that I can hold them responsible. They can't run away. You understand? Contact Beeluxury for your all type of hair, all the hairs you want to buy for your woman, or you as a woman you want to buy for yourself. It's very important to contact Beeluxury. And Beeluxury does not only send the hair to you, she's going to give you an additional oil that you're going to be using to spray on the hair to make it shiny. You understand? And always look fresh. My dear, I don't talk my own. You can go to any place you want to buy, but I'm telling you that these are the people that are trusted, people that are already bought from, and a lot of people are buying from them. And they will deliver to you immediately. Like, they don't even have to waste any time to deliver to you. So please, I don't need to force you, but I'm telling you the truth. Then you're in Lagos, you need your nails done, manicure, pedicure, or full set. Please contact Olamma. She's a sure bet. Please contact her. Then if you are in Jos or Plateau State, please, I'm talking about style, get in touch with Somi Baby Italian. Please, don't even waste time. Don't even waste time. Finally, for your fashion forward crew in PH, please contact Female Boss. She has everything. All the fashion you need to update your wardrobe, please contact her. Don't miss her. That is why I'm putting their profile so that you don't make mistake. They can deliver to you anywhere you are. Just contact her. Then to give you a bonus, if you are a new streamer on TikTok and you need someone that will tap for you and send your live to YouTube, send your live stream to Twitter, send your live stream to Facebook. From TikTok, I'm talking about send your live stream to Snapchat, send your live stream to all the social, even to WhatsApp. Contact Jack. You need to follow him.